What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rico and I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna give you 5 low cost, low risk ways on how to start a business and how to make some fast money. Once again, if you like my content, please, number one, like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm say, okay, this dude's working hard. So please like this video, comment, or subscribe. That's enough of me talking. Let's get into the content y'all came to see. All right, so the first way I'm gonna suggest you do it, that's DIY guides, do-it-yourself guides, instruction books, whatever you want to call it. With DIY guides, it's low cost, meaning low startup, no risk at all except the time. And I'm pretty sure you have the time. You can sell it on Etsy, you can sell it on Amazon, all the places that sell literature. This ain't the 90s no more, this ain't the 2000s, this ain't the early 2000s, right? You can sell a book right now without a publisher or anything. That's the power of the internet. So whether it's playing video games, cooking, doing custom shoes, how to iron clothes, there's people right now as we speak, as I speak, and as you watch, that are making money selling these type of guides right now. So what you should do is get on Microsoft Word, type it out, get on Google, online ebook maker, figure out if you want to make it pretty or not. You know, even without any experience, you can do it in Microsoft Word. Go get some royalty-free images from Pexels, throw it on there just to give it some style, submit it as a PDF, sell it, and you're done. Now, keep in mind, the better the quality, the more sales you're gonna get. So focus on good product images for Etsy, a good cover for the book itself or for the guide itself, and try to maintain a standard of quality, and you'll see that it's a lot easier than you think to sell easy guides. I mean, come on, you don't have to be an expert. There's people that are not experts that are selling those all day, every day. So that's the number one way. Number 2, create websites. Now, this one actually blew my mind a little bit because when I was researching to do this video for y'all, I came across something that I had never really realized or understood, and that's making websites, specifically e-commerce websites for people. And I know you're thinking, bro, I don't know how to make websites. How on earth could I do that? And so let me tell you how. My assumption is that at least 80% of this people watching the video know what Shopify is, and if you don't, it's basically a CMS system to manage an online store. You can use themes to set up your website. If you wanted to sell, let's say, iPhone chargers or whatever, you get a Shopify account, you pay $30 a month, create your site all within Shopify to upload your product, take sales, manage it all through there. Long story short, building a website on Shopify on a scale from 0 to 10, with 10 being how hard it is to really make a website, I say it's like a 3. And I know you're still thinking, bro, what does that got to do with me? Well, when searching, I found that people actually charge to make these websites for people. Bro, that blew my mind. Like, do you understand how easy that is? But you got to think, some people are too busy to do it. Some people just have the money and say, I want to start a Shopify, an e-commerce store, and I just want to delegate out the task. So people pay all day. I made sure to check to see if people are actually paying for this, and people are paying all day for people to make Shopify websites for them. And so I'm gonna show y'all on here a little bit how easy it is and how it works. But you can basically work off of a basic theme. They will provide you the colors, the logo, everything like that, unless you're a graphic designer and you want to throw that in. But that's easy money, and it's really easy, even if you don't know how to do it now, to go learn in 30 minutes how to customize a Shopify theme, and then hop up on Fiverr and say, boom, I'll charge you X amount of dollars to do your website. That's easy, that's low risk. So that's my second way. The third way I'm gonna say is doing voiceovers. And that's right, voiceovers. Your voice is free to you as far as a resource. So it's really low risk, and it's really, low cost as well. People are making a lot of money doing voiceovers. I was shocked by that. And so it's simple. Go to Fiverr, upload your face, offer voiceovers. Now, here's the kicker. The standard super serious voiceover is becoming a thing of the past. Those are going out of style. People are now actually looking for more realistic voices. So, you know, you don't have to worry about, oh, my voice is too anything, because now there are people, whether they're making films or whatever, they're looking for someone with your speech, with your, whether it's your accent or whatever, they're looking for somebody like you. So don't count yourself out. Definitely get into voiceovers. To keep it real cheap, you can get on your phone, get in a quiet space, record voiceovers. Okay, if you want to, if you want to take it up a notch, there's a bunch of condenser microphones that you can use, and get you some of that little foam that you put around on the walls to kind of just help the quality of your sound. Because once again, I'm gonna always preach that higher quality means more sales, more money. So that's something to think about. Number 4, print on demand goods. I'll always preach this one. I'll always testify for this one, because I made a good amount of money in a short period of time doing this. To briefly cover it again, you can basically do it locally. You can do it on Etsy, which is the best place to do it, or eBay. Selling print on demand goods to me is the best thing going. It's the best show in town, probably because I'm a designer and that's one of the ways I monetize my skills the best. But for the newcomers to my channel, the basic idea is you can drop ship posters, shirts, canvas art, whatever. When I first got into it, I thought there really couldn't possibly be a real market here, but I was wrong. It's so simple, and that's why it was so easy, and it was my favorite. If you find a design or a quote that people like, they'll buy it, and it's that simple. That's why I love it. So there's no ifs, ands, or buts. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, bro, where do I get these quotes? Where do I get these designs? And honestly, I say you get on Instagram and pay one of these amazing designers, bro. There's a lot of amazing designers on Instagram. I'm not even talking about myself, although I am one. That's the first way I suggest. Also, you can, once again, go look stock images, go look at stock designs, go look at designs that are royalty free. And if you, once again, even a quote, if you can type out a simple quote that people like, no matter how plain it is, if the quote is what it is, people are gonna buy it. So if you get a custom design, though, you'll have an advantage that I enjoyed, and that's, you have a cool design and you have a cool design that nobody has. Oh yeah, you're gonna make some sales. So, there's several free resources, and like I said, the idea is getting this image, printing it on whatever you like, shirts, mugs, socks, canvases, posters, whatever, and shipping it to people and upcharging, whatever you want to charge, and keeping the difference from what you pay to the printer to send it to them. So that's the 4th way. The 5th and final way is transcripting. That's right, transcripting. Transcripting, it blew my mind too, because with all the automatic transcription software services out here today, I really couldn't imagine that people were actually paying people still to do transcriptions. However, upon doing further research, I realized that most people actually prefer a human to transcribe. Why? Because a human knows the difference between accents, that this person was trying to say this instead of that, but their accent made it sound like this, and robots still can't do that. So people are still paying people to do transcriptions. So if you can type 35 words a minute, this is perfect for you. If you have the free time and you want to make some money, then hey, get on there, listen to some audio, type it out, and relax and chill and make money while doing it. So, even if you can't type, you can do this. And that's what I always try to do, is I try to bring y'all stuff that I know someone with zero skills, zero nothing can do. So, if you like my content, please like this video. That tells the algorithm that, hey, this dude Rico, he working hard, man. He trying to get it. So, if y'all have any questions about this video, if y'all need any directions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. One love, everybody. Let's